Hey guy, today I will teach you about how to color grade video like professional on mobile. First open Capcut and select color grading tools. Contrast 15. Saturation 10. Exposure -5. Follow my HSL coloring to get professional touch on video. Watch my steps. HSL is very important in color grading to color grade every parts of the video to make colorful. Sharpen 20.
Now see my curve. Highlights 5. Now finally complete.
Guys, follow me on social media too, and feedback your comment and suggestions about this video so I can improve it. I hope you all are fine. Stay blessed. Keep supporting content creator.